Imagine placing a pot on a stove. It heats up instantly, yet there are no open flames, no glowing red coils. The glass surface beneath the pot doesn't even get warm. It feels almost like magic, but really, it's a highly precise, elegant application of physics. You might be wondering, how does an induction stove work? Today, we are exploring the technology that is rapidly changing the modern kitchen, moving us away from traditional heat transfer and into the fascinating realm of electromagnetism.
Heat without fire, the invisible flame. For millennia, human cooking has relied on one very simple principle: create a hot environment and let that heat transfer into your food. We burn wood, we burn gas, or we force electricity through resistive metal coils until they glow. But induction skips this thermal middleman entirely. It actually transforms the cookware itself into the heat source. We are moving from a long history of mastering fire to a future of mastering invisible fields.
All this we are going to learn today on Everyday Simple Science with Ray. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to our channel, like and share this explainer, and help us reach new people who are interested in learning about the what, why, and how of the universe. Here is our roadmap for today. First, we will look at the history of induction cooking. Second, the science behind induction. Third, efficiency and performance. Fourth, safety and practicality. And finally, limitations and considerations.
Let's start with Section 1, the history of induction cooking. It all begins back in 1831, when the brilliant British physicist Michael Faraday discovered the principle of electromagnetic induction. He demonstrated to the world that a changing magnetic field could actually generate electricity in a nearby conductor. For a long time, this remained a principle used purely in heavy industry. By the early 1900s, patents started emerging for using induction in industrial metalworking and large melting furnaces. But it wasn't until the 1970s that this technology was refined enough for the home. The Westinghouse Electric Corporation introduced the Cooktop 2, a standalone induction range. It was revolutionary. But at a price equivalent to nearly $12,000 today, it was far ahead of its time. It took decades of advancements in power electronics and semiconductors for this technology to become the accessible appliance we see today.
Which brings us to Section 2, the science behind induction.
If you look beneath the smooth glass surface of the cooktop, you will find a tightly wound spiral of copper wiring known as Litz wire. The stove takes your standard household electrical current and converts it into a high-frequency alternating current. We're talking about fluctuating between 20,000 and 50,000 times every single second. As this rapid current flows through the copper coil, it projects a powerful oscillating magnetic field upward straight through the glass.
Now, when you place a highly conductive magnetic pot onto this field, a remarkable reaction occurs. The oscillating magnetic field disturbs the electrons within the base of the pan. Following Faraday's law, this induces an electromotive force causing the electrons in the metal to swirl in rapid closed loops. In physics, we call these eddy currents or Foucault currents. The magnetic field has quite literally turned the base of your pan into a localized, natural electromagnet.
But motion alone does not cook our food. Resistance does. As these intense eddy currents swirl through the metal lattice of the pan, they encounter electrical resistance. The electrons are constantly colliding with the atoms of the cookware. This friction converts electrical kinetic energy into pure thermal energy, a process known as Joule heating. Additionally, microscopic magnetic dipoles within the metal rapidly flip back and forth to align with that alternating field, creating even further friction known as magnetic hysteresis. Working together, these forces generate intense, immediate heat directly inside the metal of the pan itself.
Let's move to Section 3, Efficiency and Performance.
Consider this remarkable figure, 5.8 seconds. In rigorous testing environments, induction technology brings water to a boil with astonishing speed, often reaching boiling temperatures in fractions of the time it takes traditional methods. A separate test showed induction bringing 6 cups of water to a rolling boil in just 1 minute and 42 seconds. A professional gas burner? That took over 5 minutes. The speed is simply unmatched.
This incredible speed comes down to a matter of pure energy transfer efficiency. When you cook with gas, you are essentially heating the air around the pot. A staggering 60 to 65% of the energy from a gas flame escapes into your kitchen. Traditional electric radiant coils are better, capturing about 74% efficiency. But induction achieves an energy transfer efficiency of up to 90%. Because the heat is generated internally within the cookware, virtually no energy is wasted.
This direct generation of heat results in a phenomenon known as zero thermal inertia. If you turn off a traditional electric coil, the glass remains scorching hot and it continues to cook your food. But with induction, the moment you adjust the dial, the magnetic field changes instantly. You can drop from a violent rolling boil to a delicate, gentle simmer in less than a second. It provides a level of precise, instantaneous temperature control that even the finest professional gas ranges struggle to replicate.
Section 4. Safety and Practicality.
Traditional stoves create secondary problems in the home environment. Gas emits nitrogen dioxide and warms your entire kitchen, forcing your climate control systems to work harder. Radiant electric tops bake spills onto the glass, requiring heavy scrubbing. An induction surface, however, remains remarkably cool. The only heat on the glass is residual warmth transferring backward from the hot pan. If you spill a sauce, it simply doesn't burn onto the surface. A simple swipe with a damp cloth cleans it entirely. Furthermore, it operates with zero indoor emissions, providing a measurably cleaner breathing environment.
The technology also allows for highly advanced safety protocols. Induction cooktops utilize automatic pan detection. The system constantly monitors the resonant frequency. If you turn the burner on but forget to place a pan on it, nothing happens. No heat is generated. If you remove the pan while cooking, the system detects the open circuit and automatically shuts down. It will not heat a stray fork, and it poses a vastly reduced burn risk, making it an incredibly safe option for busy households.
Finally, Section 5, Limitations and Considerations.
The primary limitation here is compatibility. Because the system relies entirely on magnetic fields to induce eddy currents, your cookware must be ferromagnetic. Aluminum, pure copper, and glass will simply not work. Furthermore, the technology is complex. It relies on advanced microcontrollers and insulated gate bipolar transistors. This means higher upfront purchasing costs and, occasionally, higher repair costs. Finally, there are strict electrical requirements. Installing a new induction range often requires a dedicated 50-amp electrical circuit to handle the immense instantaneous power draw.
Fortunately, navigating the cookware limitation is remarkably simple. You do not need to replace your entire kitchen arsenal blindly. You can perform the fridge magnet test. Simply take a standard refrigerator magnet and hold it to the bottom of your current pots and pans. If the magnet sticks firmly to the base, the metal has the necessary ferromagnetic properties to concentrate the magnetic field. If it sticks, you can use it to cook with induction. We find ourselves at a fascinating intersection of classical electrodynamics and domestic life. By moving the site of heat generation from the stove directly into the pan, we achieve efficiency and control that is fundamentally impossible for older methods. As we continue to seek cleaner, smarter, and faster ways to prepare our food, one must wonder, as we master the invisible electromagnetic field, is the age-old cooking flame finally destined for the history books?
Thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the physics of our everyday lives. Please subscribe to Everyday Simple Science with Ray, like and share this explainer, and turn on your notifications. Also, click to watch the explainer currently showing on your screens. Until next time, keep questioning the world around you.